Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna take a couple of trades just like the other day. So we have a doji right here. Look, it's breaking this doji, right? I will take a doji break trade right here, and we don't see any gaps, so we're fine. Okay, let's see if we can. No, we don't know. We cannot. Like if it was closing something like this, we could add up this support becoming resistance and also this trend line, but it didn't happen, and no problem. This is a very nice doji, and we broke the doji. And down here we have a QM area. Okay, if I mark the QM area, it's gonna look like this for the future trade. Okay, now let's go for, yes, we have the engulf. Let's go to a lower time frame for finding the entry. All right, the entry is going to be, first entry is going to be here, and the other one is going to be down here. So I will mark that. See how many? Okay, I will mark the safer entry. All right, now let's go back to 1 minute. This is the process. Okay, that was a winning trade. This is the process of marking a QM entry area. I will make this blue so you don't confuse. Let's see if the price comes here. I will enter right on this blue zone. All right, so let's go to the other pairs to see what's going on. And there's an update about the mentorship. I already posted on the Telegram channel, but the mentorship will open again for another group on the 3 January. And yeah, you will also see some results of my students on the screen now. Okay, so if you want to join, you can join. Oh, I entered right here. I wish I decreased the amount, but anyways, yeah, if you want some more details, just join on the Telegram channel and stay tuned for the next week, 3 January. Let's see if we're gonna win this. This is a common point of rejection, and this is the base coming down, right? This is a base, but the base movement is coming down, and you see the different colors, right? Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, so the color pattern with us, the trend line with us, common point of rejection with us, and also the pattern didn't even create a high, so technically it's in the seller's favor, and the pattern retracement requirements. Okay, so this is the if you don't know what I mean by common point of rejection, look at this. This is 1, 2, 3 touch, so common point between these two. So the more touches we have for the common point of rejection, like that, the more valid it becomes. All right, so let's just move on to the next trade. Let's see if we got, where's the QM trade? All right, okay, it's coming down for the QM, and I will take that. Okay, you see that this doji. So a quick tip about the doji. The bigger the doji is, first of all, the bigger the doji is, the higher probability to win the trade. All right, and after that, when we coming back to the doji, we can still take a trade. Here, if we like come down and close somewhere here, for example, and the next candle comes down, we will enter right on this blue zone, and then it will switch up, because this is still a doji break, and it's combined with this QM level. And what do I mean by QM? When we have an uptrend like this, ABC to the downside, we broke the previous swing right here. The QM area is gonna become this area. So after that, we go to the lower time frame for the rally-based rally and finding entry. Let's see if we're gonna have this opportunity. This is still a doji break. I'll go with, oh, we have gap up, so I'm not going with the buyers here. It's breaking this doji. Normally we should go with the buyers, because just like the previous one, we broke the doji from the upside, we took this trade, and now we're breaking that from the downside, and we can take this trade. But since the minor trend is not with us, and also we have gap up in the seller's favor, this is a gap up, right? The candle close here, the next candle open from here. So the gap up, it's in the seller's favor, okay, sellers. And the gap down, if we had this gap down here, it would be in the buyer's favor. So I would take this trade. All right, that's why I didn't take this as a buy. All right, let's see. I will enter right on this blue zone. Come on. Okay, the first low time frame entry actually prevented the price coming down for now. But if we go to the lower time frame, you will see that it's rejecting from that area that I didn't mark, and I prefer to choose the safer option. All right. Yes, it's reacting exactly from there, here. Like if I mark that. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, even this one also worked. If we were entering here, the candle would close here and we would win the trade. But no problem, I just prefer to go with the safer one. Let's just look for other pairs for now. Alright, we have a doji trade right here, and it's combined with this ABC. So we have 1 and 2 touch right here, and it's also a round number. So this area is a very nice area for sellers to enter. But I didn't like, if I wouldn't take this sell because we have gap down in the favor of buyers. I really want this to go up and close something like this so I can take the trade. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one also coming down. Okay, I go with the sellers here and come down a little more, please. Okay, I go with the buyers right in this blue zone. Let's see how these two trades they're gonna play out. Okay, this one is so good. Like, look how it's dropping because it's on a doji break. It's a doji break, and also it's ABC supply. ABC normally create a supply area added up to this round number, even though the minor trend is not with us. In this trade, in this trend, you don't see a lot of red candle. Oh my god, they came until down here and they're rejecting. That's kind of crazy. And about this trade, this is a QM trade, one of the advanced market structure setups. Okay, let me see. I'm honestly, I'm not expecting to have this as a losing trade, guys. All right. Okay, one of them was losing trade. Jesus, that was crazy. Okay, that's just unlucky. I cannot do anything about that. All right, let's just move on. All right, we have a spinning candle, double spinning candle, and then we are inside of the space. So you know that doji candles work best in the ranging market. This was actually crazy, I'm not even lying, and it happens in the market sometimes. This was the QM that I'm talking about. Okay, if you haven't watched the QM video, it's right here, you can watch it, and I'm gonna stop it for now. It's about 9 minutes. And yeah, about the mentorship, some people were texting me every single day to start again, and now I'm saying that the next week, 3 January, is going to be started, and you can join in the Telegram channel for more info. Also, I share my students' live trades or some results in the Telegram channel. You can check that out too. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.